So today we're going to talk about 6 reasons why I believe Windows is better than macOS. So without further ado, let's start the video. So the most important thing or the first thing is easier to use. Windows is very easier to use, and I can tell you I've switched to Mac OS for some time now. It's been really a heavy task, especially knowing the shortcuts and knowing how to navigate through the folders. The reason why I say it's easier to use, it's because Windows has larger community compared to macOS. Almost 80% of all the total people in the world use Windows. So if you're having troubles or you want to navigate or to solve some issues in your Windows laptop, it will be very much easier to search for them online, and trust me, you're going to find the results, or you're going to figure out how to end the problem that you're facing. Windows is easier to use compared to macOS because Windows is a popular operating system. The second reason why I believe Windows is better than the Macs is the price tag. Believe me, Windows are aggressively priced. For example, if you are on a tighter budget and you wanted a laptop, there are higher chances that you're going to get a Windows laptop compared to a Mac. The reason why Windows is cheaper than Macs is because of the availability of many brands. For example, we have brands such as HP, Acer, Lenovo, Dell, etc. So with the availability of many options, manufacturers are forced to price their laptops aggressively. So this makes it easier for people on a tight budget to get a laptop. The third reason is gaming. Windows is well optimized for gaming compared to macOS, and this can be concluded by saying Windows is better in gaming compared to Macs. For example, when new titles of games are released, the first platform that receives these games are Windows. If you have a peep on the App Store, and also if you have a peep on the Microsoft Store, the availability of games on Windows is much higher compared to that in macOS. And this reason makes it easier for people to choose Windows compared to Macs. If you're a gamer and you want to enjoy gaming, there are higher chances that you're going to choose Windows PC because of its optimization for the games. The fourth reason is availability of ports. Windows have many ports compared to Macs. For example, if you look at the newer Macs, you'll find that they lack USB Type-A. So this makes it harder for people trying to use pen drive to copy styles from their Macs to their pen drive. So if you wanted to copy something from your Mac to your pen drive, you'll need to get a dongle, which adds up the bulkiness of carrying around dongles. The only last laptop to come with USB Type-A was the MacBook Pro Retina 2015, which I'm still rocking up to today, and this thing is just a performance machine when compared to other Macs because of the availability of ports. Many, if not all, Windows PC have a USB Type-A, making it easier for the transfer of data from your Windows laptop to your pen drive or pen drive to your Windows laptop. The fifth reason why Windows is better than Macs is the availability of features. Windows are feature-rich compared to macOS. For example, if you look at the Windows Microsoft Store, there are many applications compared to those found in macOS. There are higher chances of not finding a feature available in macOS and finding that feature readily available for you free of charge on Windows. And also, Windows has more freebies compared to macOS. The sixth and the final reason why Windows is better than the Macs is the upgradability. When shopping for Macs, if you don't customize your Mac to serve you for the next 10 years, there are higher chances that you may end up using that Mac for a very short time because of its upgradability. On newer Macs, the storage and the RAM has been soldered directly into the motherboard. This makes it harder to upgrade their machines. So if you never customized your machine when you're buying it, there are higher chances that you might end up not using that machine to its fullest because of shortage in RAM or shortage in storage, but upgradability in Windows is very easy compared to that in Macs. So opening up your Windows laptop and installing new RAM, new storage is easier. Hope you enjoyed this video, and a sub to the channel will be great.